Okay, so let's assume for a second we have a bunch of tables on a worksheet, and you wanted to delete some of them. So let's take a look at the table name that is associated with some of these, and we're going to use a Nitro-CELL command to delete a table. And the only thing that it requires is the name of the table that we're going to delete. And when we run this, you'll notice that it will automatically go in and clear out not just the table, but the content of the range of where it existed too. So if we take a look at this table here, this is a bomb table. So we'll come in and do a bomb table for that and press the do it button. And if you come in, you'll notice that it's cleared that table out, and it is no longer in the list of tables within the Excel workbook. So as you can see, it's basically just a clearing mechanism. It doesn't alter the state of the workbook, meaning it doesn't remove any columns or rows. It's just a simple clearing mechanism for table data and to delete it from the Excel data model.